Hello! This video is going to introduce you to Module 3 in your textbook. Module 3 includes lessons 26 through 30, and that's what you'll be working on this week. Refer to these videos frequently because they will help you find answers to maybe things that are not explained clearly. It will probably keep you from having to read your book because the videos do follow the pages in the book. But if you're a reader, make yourself comfortable in the pages of the book and read through everything, and if you need to, watch the videos that will explain the concepts and the exercises and drills. Now, in Module 3, which is Level 2 of your book, Module 3 is titled Formatting and Word Processing Essentials. In word processing, which is another term for document production, which is the name of our course. In word processing, you have to type the documents and you have to format the documents. Now, in our class, as in real life, if you're doing this, you have to look for two things when you are checking your work. You have to make sure that the document has been typed correctly and accurately and that everything in it is factual. And you have to make sure that the layout of that document and the look of that document are appropriate and professional. So on page 2-1 in your textbook, it gives you the cover page for Module 3, and it tells you what you're going to be learning in Module 3. Every time we pick up a new lesson in this course, you're going to use those tools from that point on. So don't just assume that if you learn some tool in a lesson that the next lesson you don't have to fool with it anymore. This is a cumulative course. Everything you learn is used from that point on until the end of the semester. So on page 2-1, in the keyboarding section, you will still be learning keyboarding skills. You'll be learning to key more fluently without interrupting yourself, and you'll be using good typing techniques such as posture, such as holding your wrist high instead of letting your wrist rest on the table, which is a precursor to getting carpal tunnel syndrome, which is only fixed by surgery. You will learn to use document design skills such as formatting memos and letters and tables and reports. And all of these documents are basically business documents. Some of them later on in the semester will have some medical content in them and some will have some legal content. But for the most part, these are all business documents and follow business document guidelines. You'll also learn to apply basic design skills to some announcements and to invitation documents and to newsletters. You will learn to enhance all of these documents with some basic graphics and clip arts and things that are nice to look at and make a document more interesting. In the word processing skills area, you'll learn essential word processing commands. All of the tools and commands and features of Word we will cover in this course. And again, once you learn them, you will be expected to use them from that point on. You'll also learn to apply those commands to create business documents, to edit the business documents, and to format those business documents efficiently and effectively. We do have communication skills in this course. Also, they're kind of blended into the exercises and into the readings. Basic communication skills like punctuation, capitalization, subject-verb agreement. If you don't have good communication skills, both written and oral, in the business world, you are a very inefficient and a very ineffective employee. You'll learn to compose simple documents for communication purposes. You'll learn to use proofing skills and proofing tools effectively. And you'll learn how to proofread and edit the text that you type effectively, which is extremely important in the business world.